In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Character AI on Android. So first of all, make sure you have installed Character AI. After that, simply open up the app. From here, you will get three options. You can either continue with Google, Apple or email. For now, let's go with Google. Here you can simply choose your Google account you want to log in with. After that, you will be redirected to this page asking about your birthday. Then click on join. After that, you can simply pick few of your interest. You can choose your lifestyle, choose your entertainment, your productivity. Then simply click on next. Here if you want, you can upgrade to Character AI Plus, or you can simply click on skip for now. And that's it. Now your Character AI account has been opened. That's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.